Hey, I'm Xiao Xiao. Welcome to my channel Xiao Xiao Yarn. Today, I'd like to share with you the materials and tools I use for sashiko, including the alternatives. It's for people from all levels, so join me. Number 1. Fabrics. I've been using 100% cotton fabrics from used clothes or sheets. Firstly, it is because it's so nice to touch. And on top of that, traditionally, sashiko was used to strengthen the homespun clothes of olden times, or to piece together the old clothes to make new garments. So it is a very humble practice. This fabric I'm using is scrap from my curtain, and I dyed it with turmeric. I love the bright yellow color, and the smell is so good. Number 2. Threads. Same as the fabrics, sashiko threads are also cotton, so it is strong and durable. It is thick, but has a looser twist than most of the embroidery threads. I live in North America. The most clothing I can find from the local store is these thick cotton threads. However, I also have a lot of thin cotton threads, mostly donated by my friends and their families. I found a way to make them sashiko threads-like, and I'll show you in the next video how I make them. Number 3. Needles. Sashiko needles come with different sizes, but they're usually thick and firm. I like using the long needles so that my lines can be straight and I can sew fast with them. Number 4. Fabric markers. I love these heat erasable pens. They're like regular ball pens, but if you pass your iron or hair dryer or a bowl of hot water through it, the ink will disappear. It is also very handy to have a compass. There are a lot of sashiko patterns that you need to draw with a compass. Number 5. A cutting mat. I would choose one with the metric measurements because it helps you to make smaller guiding grids. The masking tape is always helpful. Quilter's ruler and a rotary cutter will make things much easier. However, if you don't have these, a pair of scissors and a ruler will be enough. Number 6. Timbal. Sashiko timbal helps you to push the long needles through the fabric. I like using them all the time. I made this fabric sashiko timbal myself. If you want to find out how I made it, simply click the pop-up link here. It's easy. Number 7. A jar that I use to keep all my scraps, so later I can use them for small things or to stuff my dolls. I also keep a sketchbook for my sashiko pattern designs. This, along with my sashiko buddy Little Dinosaur, are my best sashiko friends. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, I will show you the basic techniques for sashiko and hand sewing. If you like my video, please click that like button and please subscribe. See you soon!